Expressions and emotions are a very important part of our conversation, and we don't even realize when we learn that from the environment. But when it comes to our neurodiverse children, this is not as simple as it looks. I still remember when our child was very young and we used to be very depressed or sad or maybe crying at times, he would suddenly come and start laughing. It was very painful to see our child like that. And for others, it may seem like an inappropriate behavior also. So we thought of an idea to teach expressions to our child. In this module, you will get a step-by-step pathway to train your child in basic expressions through fun learning exercises, worksheets, and flashcards. I believe as a parent, it's our job to keep training our child in the basic expressions so that our child creates a library of these expressions in his mind and start utilizing these expressions appropriately in the environment. Let's keep praying to the Almighty to give emotions to our child as time passes. If you feel that your child also needs to be trained in these expressions, feel free to click on the link and get this course. See you inside the course very soon. Do you remember how you learned your language? Maybe or maybe not. But the first step of learning any language is to grasp the vocabulary and comprehension of that language. And how did we do that? Well, we all do it by catching the things from our environment. But when it comes to our kids with neurodiverse brains, this phenomena may not be as simple as it looks. Here is the module that will allow your child to connect with the environment, connect with the things that he or she usually sees in the environment. This module allows your child to connect with routine things like fruits and vegetables, furniture, electrical appliances, kitchenware, vehicles, and animals. And the best part is this module comes with a step-by-step guided pathway to build your child's vocabulary, comprehension, and ultimately the language. It comes with more than 200 plus flashcards and worksheets, and it has interactive fun exercises that keep your child engaged. So if you think your child needs to build up the vocabulary and language, click on the link and get this course now. See you on the other side.
My child has started speaking one word, but he is stuck at that level. How can I move my child from one word vocabulary to 2, 3, 4 word meaningful sentences? You are not the only one asking this question. It is a very common issue for all the parents of children on autism spectrum. And the biggest fear related to this in the parent's mind is, will my child ever be able to learn language and communicate? Being parent of a child on autism spectrum, 12 years back, we were also dealing with this question. But luckily, having an experience in learning industry for more than a decade, we could help our child. And we are here to share the same with you in form of Essential Concepts module. This module contains a step-by-step learning pathway to move your child from one word meaningful or meaningless vocabulary to 2, 3, 4 words meaningful sentences. And this is done through fun learning engaging activities with 200 plus flashcards and printable worksheets. In this module, your child will learn about the describing words and concepts which are very, very important to make the sentences. Concepts like colors, shapes, big, small, in, out, open, close. By using these concepts, a child can simply create sentences and indulge into a conversation with you. So if you find that your child is also stuck at this age, do not wait because time is crucial. Click on the link below and get this module for yourself.
Have you ever noticed the change in your child's behavior whenever there is a change in its daily routine? Well, our neurodiverse children thrive for predictability and routine. It helps them to understand what to expect and reduces the stress and anxiety associated with unexpected changes. It also allows your child to become self-sufficient with respect to daily activities and self-care activities like eating, brushing, bathing, etc. In this module, you will get a complete guided pathway to train your child in daily routine using visual clues, flashcards, quizzes, and interesting worksheets. So if you think that this interactive module with fun exercises will benefit your child, click on the link below and get this module. Come home by 6 p.m. Can you give me 2 balloons? Show me your 7-number card. Does all this statement look familiar to you? I hope yes. All these statements are an integral part of our life. And we do it so naturally that we don't even remember that all these statements include the basic mathematics. Identification of numbers and counting of numbers related to objects. And any neurotypical kid would get it so easily and quickly that we don't even realize that we had to teach these things to our child. But when it comes to a neurodiverse child, they also need all these concepts, but in a slow, systematic, step-by-step and repetitive manner. How about if we give them all of this in a way that is not only interesting, but also engaging for the child? Our Maths Foundation module is especially crafted for this purpose. It is a slow, repetitive, and a gradual process specially crafted to cater the needs of our neurodiverse children. It is an audio-visual module that our children will not only enjoy, but will also understand easily. It comes with an ice-breaking button to grab their attention back when they are distracted. It also increases the sitting behavior of the children. It comes with various worksheets and flashcards so that you can practice it at home. That not only improves the understanding, but also improves the fine motor skills of your children. So what are you waiting for? If you think you need to mainstream your child at the earliest, click the button below and get this module now. Social communication is one of the most important challenges that our kids as a neurodiverse child face the most. It is the most crucial part for a parent to teach their child social communication, like how to ask if they want to play with the child, how to intervene if two people are talking, how to stop others from bullying you, how to deal with nervousness, how to behave when you're going out in parties, malls, or movie theater, how to seek permission. These are small things but occur like a Herculean task for our children. Although as a parent, we so much want to take our child outside and meet other people, but this often becomes a challenge because of their social and communication behavior. Social stories are a very big solution to this. In these modules, you will get a bunch of social stories which are animated and will help your child in managing their behavior, sensory aspects, and social communication when they go out and meet other people. You will get a clear blueprint and guidance through which you can teach your child these behaviors. You also get a bunch of interesting quizzes and printable worksheets which you can practice with your child thereafter. It can teach our child to behave in public places, movie theaters, hotels, restaurants, and it will help our child to meet other people. See you very soon inside this learning journey with your child.
When a child gets diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder or any other learning difficulty, the biggest question that comes to a parent's mind is, will my child ever be able to lead an independent life? As parent of a child on autism spectrum and with e-learning expertise of more than 20 years, we have come up with a framework which is step-by-step, easy to use, and which helped our child in attaining independence in terms of daily living activities, and which can help your child as well in leading an independent life by performing the activities of daily living with confidence. In this module, the child will slowly and gradually get introduced to the activities and objects of daily living. Objects such as food items, all kind of hygiene related items, play and toy related things, study and stationery related things, and different type of clothing. The child will not only recognize these objects and activities by their name, but will also understand the purpose and use of these activities and use of these objects. The child will learn all these concepts through interesting, fun and engaging activities, along with 150 plus flashcards and printable worksheets with which you can make your child practice through pencils or crayons or whichever medium your child is comfortable with. This module comes with a step-by-step pathway of learning by following which you will ensure that you derive the maximum value out of this module. So if you think that your child needs to learn about the activities and objects of daily living to gain confidence in performing the activities of daily life on his own independently, then you should click on the link below and get this module for yourself and your child. Do you know what is the most important relationship in our life? That is the relationship with ourself and our body. And that is what our child should be able to learn at the very first stage. This particular module is being specifically designed to create the child's relationship with his or her own body. In this module, the child will not only recognize the body parts with their names, but will also understand the functions of different body parts. It's a completely guided step-by-step pathway-based module where you can support your child in recognizing the body parts, understanding their functions, and then practice these concepts through worksheets, flashcards, and fun, engaging activities. So if you think that your child is at a stage where he or she needs to build that connection with the body, needs to understand the body parts and their function, then this module is for you. Click on the link below and get this module for yourself. Imagine you are relocating to a new country. You do not know that language. You do not know how to read, how to write that language. How difficult do you think it will be for you to communicate your basic needs, even hunger or thirst as well? How difficult do you think it will be for you to communicate even the basic needs that you have? Needs like hunger or need if you are thirsty. You won't be left with any other way than to use the sign language or use prompts like this if you are hungry or if you are thirsty. And if still people do not understand you, how frustrating it will be for you. This is the exact condition in which our children are right now. And this is exactly how frustrated they feel when they are trying to communicate. They want to say certain things, but they do not have the language. They do not know how to say those things. And the biggest worry in a parent's mind is, will my child ever attain language and will he ever be able to communicate with people, communicate even his basic needs so that he is independent in life? Well, friends, that is the importance of knowing a language, knowing how to read and how to write in that language. Well, you must be thinking, what is the solution then? The solution is very simple. Just like any other child, our children can also learn the language, learn how to read, how to write using the same format. But because their mind is neurodiverse, there is a different way to train them and teach them this thing. The concepts need to be taught in a very slow, systematic manner so that they register in the child's brain, and slowly and gradually the child will be able to use those concepts, read, write, and understand the language. This module comes with a step-by-step guided pathway, a blueprint, which will help you in training your child in understanding the alphabets, and this will happen in a systematic manner through engaging fun interactivities and more than 200 flashcards and worksheets. So if you are looking for a way to introduce the English alphabets and associated words to your child, then try this module. It will help. Click on the link below and get this module for your child now. इमेजिन कीजिए कि आप एक नई कंट्री में या फिर नई जगह पे रहने के लिए चले गए और वहां पे एक ऐसी भाषा बोली जाती है जो आपको आती नहीं, ना तो आपको वो भाषा बोलना आता है, ना पढ़ना और ना ही लिखना। सोचिए आपको अपनी बेसिक से बेसिक चीज को भी बताने में या कम्युनिकेट करने में कितनी तकलीफ होगी। अगर आपको भूख लगी है या प्यास लगी है, आप ये तक लोगों को बता नहीं पाएंगे। बताने की कोशिश भी करेंगे इशारों से तो हो सकता है कि वो समझे, हो सकता है कि वो ना समझे। हमारे बच्चे जो ऑटिज्म से डील कर रहे हैं उनकी कंडीशन भी कुछ इसी तरीके से है। सोचिए उनके लिए कितना फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग होता होगा कि वो जो कहना चाह रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी बोलना चाह रहे हैं, वो बोल नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि उन्हें उस भाषा की कुछ समझ ही नहीं है, पढ़ना और लिखना तो दूर की बात। तो सवाल यह निकल के आता है कि हम करें क्या ऐसी कंडीशन में। इसका जवाब बहुत ही आसान है, हमने वही करना है जो बाकी बच्चे करते हैं। जिस तरीके से बाकी बच्चे पहले अक्षरों को समझते हैं, उसके बाद शब्दों को समझते हैं, उसके बाद सेंटेंसेस बनाना सीखते हैं, वही हमारे बच्चे ने करना है। लेकिन हमें इतनी दिक्कत क्यों आती है? हमें दिक्कत इसलिए आती है क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे का जो ब्रेन है वो न्यूरो डाइवर्स है, वो न्यूरोटिपिकल नहीं है। तो उसके सीखने का और समझने का तरीका भी अलग है। उसे सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से धीरे धीरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंफॉर्मेशन देनी होगी ताकि उसका ब्रेन उसे प्रोसेस कर पाए और अगले स्टेप के लिए तैयार हो पाए। हिंदी भाषा को सिखाने के फाउंडेशन मॉड्यूल में, इस मॉड्यूल में हम यही काम करने वाले हैं। आपको इस मॉड्यूल में एक गाइडेड पाथवे मिलता है, एक ब्लूप्रिंट मिलता है, जिसमें स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये बताया गया है कि पहले बच्चे के साथ आपने ये स्टेप लेना है, उसके बाद ये स्टेप लेना है और उसके बाद ही इस स्टेप पे जाना है। इस मॉड्यूल में बहुत ही आसान और एंगेजिंग ऑडियो विजुअल टेक्निक्स के थ्रू बच्चा कॉन्सेप्ट को समझेगा, उन्हें प्रैक्टिस करेगा और गेम्स की फॉर्म में उन्हें सीखने की कोशिश करेगा। साथ साथ में इस मॉड्यूल में आपको 200 से ज्यादा फ्लैश कार्ड्स और वर्कशीट्स मिलती हैं, जिन्हें आप डाउनलोड करेंगे, प्रिंट करेंगे और बच्चे के साथ पेंसिल या क्रेयॉन्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो जो चीजें बच्चा कंप्यूटर पे या फिर आईपैड पे इस मॉड्यूल के थ्रू सीखेगा, वही चीजें जब पेपर और पेंसिल से प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो दिमाग में वो कॉन्सेप्ट और ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से बैठ जाएंगे। इस मॉड्यूल की मदद से आप बच्चे को स्वर सिखा सकते हैं, व्यंजन सिखा सकते हैं और उन स्वरों से या व्यंजन से शुरू होने वाले जितने भी शब्द हैं, बेसिक शब्द, वो सिखा सकते हैं। ये कदम जरूर एक छोटा सा है, लेकिन हमारे बच्चे को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाने के लिए और उसे भाषा सिखाने के लिए, पढ़ना और लिखना सिखाने के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी और पहला कदम है। किसी भी लंबे रास्ते को तय करने के लिए शुरुआत हमेशा कुछ कदम से ही करनी पड़ती है और ये पहले स्टेप्स हैं जो हम लेंगे बच्चे को हिंदी लैंग्वेज में ट्रेन करने के लिए। अपने बच्चे के साथ इस लर्निंग जर्नी को शुरू करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें, इस कोर्स के लिए अपने आप को एनरोल करें और बच्चे की लर्निंग जर्नी स्टार्ट करें। तो ये पहला कदम आपने लेना है और आगे की जर्नी के लिए मॉड्यूल के अंदर मैं आपसे मिलता रहूंगा।